Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bugs Coins and welcome back to the channel. This is a one coin video. I came across this coin. It's a Victorian coin issued in 1862. It is a 1/4 anna and it shows the Queen wearing the Empress crown, I believe, or it looks like it. It just gives you the name Victoria, or is it Queen Victoria? Let me just make sure I've got the right. It's Victoria. It's got Victoria on this side of the coin. Oops, let me just get my stick. It's got Victoria there and Queen there. It is not an older, it's quite a young headed portrait. I think this may have been around perhaps one of the Jubilees. It looks very much like a Jubilee head that you have in the UK, and very much like the Empress one with a crowned head on it. But it's likely to be a Jubilee head. On the reverse we have, let me just get this right before I we have a cartouche in the centre, which hopefully you can all see now, and it says 1/4 anna, 1/4 anna, and then it gives you the date. Around the outside it's very much an Indian type design around the outside. The mint mark is from Mumbai, and the vintage for this coin is 2,366,000. So, do you like this coin? Given half a chance, would you want it in your collection? I'm glad I've got it in mine, I know that. Tell me what you think down below. For those of you who've enjoyed this coin, this little short video on a coin, whoa, let me just bring you up out the way and widen you up a little bit. There we go. This coin is back in its plastic bag, ready for me to flip when I'm ready to put it into my collection. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? And if you're one of the people who have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you believe I've deserved it, as well as giving me a thumbs up, can you also subscribe? I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles and military stuff that I tend to do on this channel. So, anybody having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, if you've managed to stay through to the end, thank you very much. And from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.